Assalamu alaikum. With the Gaia, we usually face this error that is regarding to the some layer, different type of layer issues. So for solving this issue, these errors, we can actually import a asset which is a water system patch, and that assets link will be in the description of this video, and we will simply import this asset pws water system.cs. We will just import it, and hopefully after this import we may not find these errors. So let's wait for some seconds. Okay, so now you can see that that specific errors are not available now, and that error is gone. So let's play the game and recheck, and yeah, you can see that all that relevant errors are not here now. Before this import we have 10 plus errors, but now we only have this one error, reddish error. We will solve it later on, but this video is for specific for that water system import. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.